GMC's making promises, Ford's cutting engines, Ram's struggling. Toyota, they're about to embarrass them all. They built an electric Hilux that can go off-road, kept the diesel that's conquered 40 years of brutal terrain, and added a luxury interior that'll make you forget you're driving a truck. 6 genius changes, 1 truck. Game over for the competition. Stay tuned. This is the breakdown that changes everything. 1. A cyber sumo exterior revolution. On the outside, Toyota pursued a bold evolutionary approach with its cyber sumo design concept, refining the iconic Hilux silhouette while injecting modern sophistication. The generational update features a completely redesigned front fascia with slim LED headlights, connected by a striking black bar embossed with the Toyota script. The grille has been enlarged and comes available in body color or black, flanked by geometric triangular inlets that add visual interest without sacrificing utilitarian charm. At the rear, new tail lamps are more contemporary, while enhanced creases on the fenders accentuate the truck's muscularity. New 18-inch alloy wheels come standard, and a sleek hexagonal skid plate replaces the previous iteration. The profile lines are sharper and more defined, yet the overall design remains unmistakably Hilux, refined but not revolutionized, making the truck at home both on a job site and in the city. 2. Revolutionary electric powertrain option. What truly sets the 2026 Hilux apart is something no competitor has achieved. Toyota introduced the first ever body-on-frame electric vehicle in the Hilux's lineup. The Hilux BEV features a 59.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack installed under the floor, maximizing interior and cargo space without sacrificing off-road capability. Dual high-output electric motors deliver 144 kilowatts maximum system output, with 112 horsepower and 205 newton-meters of torque at the front axle, and 176 horsepower and 268.6 newton-meters at the rear, enabling full-time four-wheel drive performance. The electric Hilux boasts a towing capacity of 1,600 kilograms and payload capacity of 715 kilograms. The cruising range reaches 300 kilometers or more on the NEDC cycle, with DC fast charging support up to 125 kilowatt hours, providing practical recharging speeds. The battery is protected by a diamond shield battery cage designed to withstand rocks and debris during off-road adventures. This electric option signals Toyota's commitment to sustainability without abandoning the ruggedness that defines the Hilux, positioning it as a genuine alternative to traditional powertrains for environmentally conscious buyers who refuse to compromise on capability. 3. The legendary diesel engine returns stronger. Even as competitors abandoned diesel engines, Toyota doubled down on the 2.8-liter four-cylinder turbocharged diesel that has earned legendary status worldwide. This globally beloved engine returns with proven reliability, producing 204 horsepower and an impressive 500 newton-meters of torque, a figure that keeps the Hilux at the forefront of capability in emerging markets and regions where diesel dominance reigns. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, the diesel Hilux delivers remarkable towing capacity approaching 3,500 kilograms and maintains exceptional payload ratings that no competitor can match at this price point. The new 48-volt mild hybrid system has been integrated into higher-grade diesel variants, providing smoother power delivery and improved fuel efficiency without the complexity of full hybrid systems. A traditional 6-speed manual transmission remains available for those prioritizing simplicity and reliability in demanding work environments. This commitment to the diesel engine reflects Toyota's understanding that global truck buyers don't all want the same solution. Some demand efficiency, others demand proven endurance, and the Hilux delivers both. 4. A 2.7-liter petrol alternative for emerging markets. Alongside the diesel and electric options, Toyota retained the 2.7-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, offering a practical middle ground for buyers in regions where fuel infrastructure favors gasoline. This entry-level powertrain provides reasonable reliability, and represents a proven, straightforward solution for those seeking simplicity over maximum capability. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission in base configurations, the Petrol engine appeals to price-conscious buyers and fleet operators, prioritizing lower upfront costs and easy maintenance. While this powertrain doesn't match the legendary torque of the diesel or the innovation of the electric variant, it ensures the Hilux remains accessible across broader markets. This multi-powertrain strategy demonstrates Toyota's commitment to meeting diverse regional preferences rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all solution, a philosophy that has defined the Hilux's legacy as the world's most versatile pickup truck. 5. A revolutionary interior transformation. Inside the cabin, Toyota abandoned decades of archaic design in favor of a thoroughly modern, technology-forward interior that rivals luxury vehicles. The dashboard features 2 stunning 12.3-inch digital displays, one for the instrument cluster and one for infotainment, replacing the basic layouts of previous generations. The new steering wheel features bold design lines packed with intuitive physical controls, maintaining tactile feedback truck drivers appreciate during challenging conditions. Air conditioning blends physical buttons with touch capacitive controls, offering both traditional operation and contemporary convenience. The center console has been completely rethought, featuring a new shifter design similar to the Land Cruiser 300 series, plus dedicated physical controls for 4-wheel drive modes, hill descent control, rear diff lock, and terrain response system. Advanced features like powered and ventilated seats, wireless phone charging, safe exit assist, driver monitoring systems, and 360-degree cameras come standard on higher trims. This interior transformation proves that a work truck can be both rugged and refined, capable and comfortable, without compromising the simplicity and reliability customers depend on. 6. Enhanced suspension and chassis updates. Underneath, Toyota focused meaningful improvements where they matter most. The fundamental frame remains true to the Hilux's proven design, maintaining the legendary platform that has conquered every terrain. New body mounts, additional spot welds, and structural reinforcements contribute to a quieter, more refined driving experience without compromising work truck credentials. Rear disc brakes now come standard on upper trims, replacing drums and dramatically improving stopping power. The suspension tuning has been recalibrated to deliver smoother highway rides while maintaining compliance and articulation needed for serious off-road work. Wider track options and new fender flares are available on higher trims, providing a commanding stance without radically altering the silhouette. These upgrades address criticisms about road noise and ride harshness, bringing the truck closer to modern comfort standards while preserving the durability and simplicity that made it the world's best-selling pickup truck. As pickup trucks evolve to meet stricter emissions regulations and changing buyer preferences, the 2026 Toyota Hilux stands alone, offering buyers a true choice. Revolutionary electric power with full off-road capability, legendary diesel performance with proven reliability, or practical petrol simplicity. It retains all the hallmarks that made the Hilux beloved by over 40 million customers worldwide, while embracing fresh innovations for efficiency, technology, and sophistication. Whether you're a tradesperson needing uncompromising reliability, an environmentalist seeking electric capability, or a family hauler wanting refined comfort, the new Hilux checks every box. If you found this breakdown helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell for the latest automotive innovation.